Indian economic updates. India is moving closer to high-speed travel with Hyperloop projects. The Ranchi-Tata Hyperloop, developed in collaboration with Tata Steel and IIT Madras, recently gained attention after successful testing. This 135 kilometers journey, which currently takes 2.5 to 3 hours, could be completed in just 20 minutes, revolutionizing connectivity and boosting Jharkhand's economy. Hyperloop technology enables capsule travel inside vacuum tubes at speeds over 1000 kilometers per hour by eliminating air resistance and friction, making it both fast and energy efficient. IIT Madras successfully tested a 422-meter track with support from the Ministry of Railways. Hyperloop could transform India's transport system, reducing travel time and enhancing sustainability. India now joins the ranks of nations advancing this futuristic technology. As the project progresses, it could redefine public transport, offering safe, efficient, and ultra-fast travel for millions. India is ramping up infrastructure in Ladakh to counter China's border development, focusing on the third phase of the India-China Border Roads project. The initiative aims to enhance troop mobility along the line of actual control by constructing 37 new roads, with 5 in Ladakh and 70% in Arunachal Pradesh. Earlier phases identified 73 strategic roads and approved 104 more in 2020-21. China's rapid infrastructure expansion, including highways, railways, and border villages, has driven India's urgency. Recent projects like the Shinku-La and Sela tunnels improve all-weather connectivity. Experts emphasize the need for railway expansion in Ladakh and Arunachal for economic and military advantages. Since 2019, China has built over 600 border villages, increasing tensions. Defense analysts warn of potential confrontations, particularly in eastern Ladakh. India's infrastructure push aims to strengthen logistics, enhance military readiness, and counter China's growing presence along the line of actual control. China has unveiled the CR450, set to become the world's fastest commercial train, reaching speeds of 450 km per hour. Built on the CR400 series, it features improved aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and energy-efficient traction, making it 10% lighter and 20% more efficient. Designed for passenger comfort, it offers 4 classes: business, premium first, and second class, each with enhanced seating and amenities. Currently undergoing rigorous testing following its November 2024 showcase, the CR450 ensures safety and high performance before deployment. This innovation underscores China's commitment to expanding high-speed rail, with plans to extend its network from 48,000 kilometers to 60,000 kilometers by 2030. By setting new benchmarks in speed and sustainability, the CR450 aims to revolutionize rail travel, offering a greener alternative while enhancing connectivity across China. This milestone cements China's global leadership in high-speed rail technology, reshaping the future of transportation. The government is considering revisions to corporate social responsibility norms, including widening their scope and revising penalty structures to deter non-compliance. Amendments to the Companies Act, 2013, and relevant rules are expected post-elections. Currently, Section 135 mandates firms to spend 2% of average net profits over 3 years on CSR or face penalties. However, penalties are perceived as inadequate deterrents, especially for companies with high spending obligations. The government may broaden eligible CSR activities and review local area spending mandates. Despite regulations, nearly 3,984 companies failed to fulfill CSR obligations in FY22.